لحالك جاي؟
لا الحمد لله.
جاي لحالك؟
Yeah,
اه
I'm the one YouTuber. So
اه
my audience just asking, can you show me the inside?
اوكي.
Uh, See, this is the seat. This is private. Okay, there is sitting. This is a private plane. See, this is the control system full for captain. Oh my God, it's so complicated. He is the man of the captain for this plane. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a good one. Enjoy your
Thank you.
Hi.
So now I need to just show you the big things because who's viewing? I need to show the US Apache plane. See, they are standing on the roof. So guys, this is my last 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will enjoy. Okay. Once I'm just show the inside, then I'll show you. Then I'll just close the video, live streaming.
They didn't change one.
I'm from Minnesota in the USA. Yes, that's right. How about yourself? Where are you from? Ah, excellent. You're local here. It's my first time. It's very warm.
Not warm, it's not static cold here.
Ah, I see. There is. 96 and 136. Do you have extra coffee this morning? Just chasing them around? Somebody, 98, 97.
See, people are sitting here.
And 114, that's great.
Absolutely, of course. How it's this is the 300.
He's a super fish.
Yeah.
100 and 100% 105, that's great. Yeah, it's really good. Try? Yeah. I don't know for a Yankees fan though, man. How are you doing? Good? Try?